Alright, for you intermediate learners, this is going to be a really quick video on the review of negatives because we will be moving on to our negative series, and then this is going to link us into the distance existence and syntaxes, right? So brace yourselves because a lot of grammar is just going to be coming up, right? And this is the bulk of the intermediate playlist series, whatever, right? These videos in the intermediate series is just full of grammar. So if you've made it this far and you're gonna get past the grammar into the advanced levels, you are on your way, right? And again, these videos are meant to be for serious learners, okay? Serious learners, because you can casually learn something, but you will forget it if you don't use it. You will lose it. It's a skill. Language is a skill. So review of negatives, right? The negatives we have in Cebuano, there are 3 negatives, right? The most common ones are wala and dili. And this is indicated or shown right here in the timeline, right? Remember, aspect, right? Our aspects are the incepted and incepting, or better known as actions that have started and been finished, or actions that have not started at all and about to be starting, right? So this, you can just kind of look at it through like the incomplete or complete, began, not began, happened, not happened. So you can look at it that way, right? Wala expresses things that have already started, actions that have already started, whether it's already started and it's still ongoing, or whether it's started and already completed. As long as it's started, wala will be the one to express it. Dili, on the other hand, will be the negating word that expresses anything that has not started at all. Or if you're thinking about it, has it really started yet? No. So if it hasn't started, you will use dili. And down here we have the 3 important Cebuano negatives, right? Dili, which most often gets translated to no or not, right? It negates a verbal action. Wala, right? Oh, and I'm talking in terms of verbs here, okay? Wala, which means nothing, none, not, right? It expresses existence, right? It expresses existence in a way that there's nothing, no existing thing, right? Which still expresses existence, right? So it's just negating that existence. There's nothing, no, not. And finally, we have ayaw, and ayaw expresses no or the imperative don't, right? Do not blah blah blah, do not blah 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 blah, do not plus a verb, do not verb, hey, do not verb, okay? Do not verb something, do not action something, do not do that action, do not do that verb. It expresses the imperative, okay? So keep those in mind because a lot is going to be coming down this pipeline. So this is, again, just a really quick and easy video for the review of the negatives in the Cebuano language.